There was an allegation that there were illegal filling of gas, which is within the estate. We have visited the place and we found there was some there are some empty gases and these containers and others, and also gases. The owner and also another business adjacent to that place, and in fact, what we have done is now we have taken the inventory. We've actually gone through them using the April people, and they have been advised accordingly on where to place those empty gases, and for the time being, not to operate that business until they get a good place that is actually is open where the air can penetrate.
Tutachukulia hatua kama EPRA na tuta make sure kuwa biashara aina hii haitafanyika katika estate.